Here we have the Delta Galaxy bass microphone. This is the new version of the old Delta that used to be around in the 1980s. It's a lovely microphone. It has lock to talk, has echo, volume control, has a VU meter so you can actually monitor your audio. It has a TX and battery status light just there, and on the back you have a switch for your Roger beep if you want to switch on and off Roger beep, and the battery compartment is on the back. It takes a 9-volt battery, square battery, which you can put on the back there, unscrew and pop it in. It's a lovely microphone. It has a shield popper on the top of the mic there, and just a lovely microphone, well built microphone. It comes with a 4-pin DIN which you need to wire to your radio. Depending on what your model is, you need to get the wiring for that. But a lovely microphone, recommended for any budding CBer who's getting fed up of having to use a handheld microphone. Get one of these and you can just lock the talk or add echo or add the Roger beep and get better audio quality on your radio.